Hi guys. I'm Sean from Pot-Pourri. This time I'm going to show you the usability of Torrent desktop application. uTorrent and Bittorrent are the most commonly used applications nowadays for download movies, games, documents and much more through a torrent website, and both of those software interfaces are pretty much the same. In this video I'm going to show you how to use Bittorrent for the best. You can download the program using below link description. I've already installed the software. Once you have downloaded the setup, follow up the installation process. Now let's see how to download files to the software interface through torrent download website. There are so many torrent download sites in the net, and I prefer to use Wi-Fi, Pirate Bay, Cat, Extra and 1337X torrents most of the time. Let's pick Wi-Fi and 1337X torrent sites for now. You can search the internet for similar sites as you prefer. Search for the files which you want to download by inserting the words phrases into the search box and click search. If the site have what you are looking for, it will show everything under that search result. OK. When after choosing the specific selection to download, go to that selection detail page. In these sites, you will be able to use several options to add your chosen files to the torrent desktop application. First, you can simply get the torrent file which containing your full download list of items according to your desire, and open it after. You can use Add Torrent option in File menu, or simply press plus button in the software to add and open the torrent. Or secondly, you can add your download list of items by using a direct magnet or URL download link option, instead downloading a torrent file to your PC. Here you can add your list of files by clicking the magnet download button and enable open magnet URI option, or copying and pasting the download link address on add torrent on URL option. And it's also possible to check or uncheck download items before or after adding them to torrent for downloading. Either way, you can add and download the contents you want via your torrent software. After that, right-click on the download file and select bandwidth allocation as high, and maximum upload rate as 3 kilobytes per second. While downloading, refresh the download tracker list by regularly selecting on Update Trackers option in item menu. Normally I do this, but you can have your own settings as well. When adding each torrent file to download, they're adding in an ascending order, and also they keep downloading in that order as well. So you can change this order by moving up and down in the queue menu at every download file option. Right-click on selected file to go for the options. I will tell you how it works. Think of an example as of two files called number 11 and 12 in a downloading order. According to order number, 11 must be downloaded first before 12. If you select Move Up Queue option on Download 12, it turn into Download Item Order Number 11, and if you select Move Down Queue option on that Download 12, it may turn into Download Item Order Number 13. Lower the number value, undertaking that value ASAP. If you wanted to delete those downloaded files after using them, you can use Remove option on those files only to delete them from your torrent application download history, or remove an option menu and choose Delete Torrent plus Data option to delete the source files from your hard disk as well. And next I'm going to show you about one of a cool download function that torrent applications have. It's the scheduler option. I will show you how it works. If as an example, think about a specific time period in a day and that you are unable to be downloading. With this function, you will be able to manage your download time period by forcing them to download in a specific time, which the user have demanded to. You can enable this function by going to Preferences, Scheduler and tick and Enable Scheduler in Option menu tab. If you want to turn off scheduling boxes, click one box several times to be white, and then drag cross for other colored boxes to make them same with pressing the left mouse button. Let's take Tuesday midnight hours to morning hours around 8 AM. When you put that in the scheduler, you must choose Tuesday raw and mark first box to the 8th one green in a horizontal line to download them in full speed. In here, you can identify that the speed of download resemble to specific color patterns, and also, one box equals to 1 hour. Remember to put each of your download files in Start Torrent mode after enabling the scheduler function, so your downloads will be in the queue state until the specified time. So here, we talked about how to get used with the torrent application as a first step. Let me know if you have any other matters regarding this tutorial in the comments section. Thanks for watching.